Hello, divas and queens. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Giselle. Nice to meet you and welcome back if you've been here before. I want to play some dress up today. And because it's Halloween, I want to see if I can make some Halloween costumes using clothes that I already have because the last thing I want to do is spend money right now. Okay, so we have 7 categories. I have them all written here on a piece of paper and we're just going to go at random. What's the first one? Oh, Renaissance, which is perfect because Renaissance Fair is coming up if you live in Texas. Like this video if you're going to go. I'm definitely going to go. I don't know when yet, but I'm going to get tickets. And so this will be perfect so I can pre-plan what I'm going to wear. Let's me go rummage around and see what I can find that is Renaissance-y. Also, say hello to our judges. We have Karomi, we have My Melody, Luna is over there. Here's what I picked out. I have this skirt that I thrifted. We're gonna do this. We have this top that is also thrifted. It's gonna kind of be our base. I was thinking of putting this on top, having the sleeves poke out. I kind of like the ruffles coming out, but I'm not too crazy about the sleeves. I don't think I hate it. This top is from TJ Maxx, and then this I got on Depop, and then I got this as a birthday gift. And then for shoes, we're gonna go with these Fenty, I don't remember what the heck they're called. Hopefully you can see the shoes. This scandalous ankle. I kind of love it. It's definitely giving peasant, wench. Imagine dressed to impress. I'm walking down the runway. What would you rate? How many stars out of 5?
Out of 5? 5.
5?
5. Looks like you're going to the Renaissance Festival.
You guys put your ratings down below. Or the next category, let's see. The 1920s. Think Gatsby. Think Flapper. I'm going to go see what we have and I'll be back. Okay, 20s is easy. Thanks to this dress that I had already thrifted, not knowing that it was a costume until I saw this little headband with the feathers, so that's perfect. I've had these forever since like high school, and just look, they're all sparkly with the cool spikes. Now it's complete with the little fan here. I just took this off of my wall, actually. I have this hanging up. It's a little broken. I got it from an estate sale. Depends on me nothing if you ain't gonna sway. Do-wop, 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 do-wop.
Judges say 5 out of 5. On point.
Oh, you'll still love me when I'm no longer young and beautiful. Where are you going? What is the next one, you might ask? I don't know. Let's find out. Pirate. Let's go. I feel like we're starting off strong with some flowy pants and this top. I don't remember where they are from, but this top, I got it off of Depop, but it's from BB. And then these Steve Madden Rocky boots. I'm gonna tuck in the bottom of my pants to make them look flowy or poofy. Pull it out. Boom. I'm gonna put my hair up in this bandana. Ooh. I have this little, it's like a hair tie. It has a feather, and I'm just gonna wrap this around my ear. And then I have this earring that I'm put on this side. This is a necklace that I think a pirate would wear. I got this in Belize. This is from a manatee bone, and it was carved into this like cool jaguar. Oh, I think this will do. Now it's complete. I actually love this outfit so much. I would want to wear this out. Like today. I can literally just dress up as a pirate anytime. And what are you gonna do about it? And then this brown vest that I have is also thrifted. What is the next one? Let's see. Let's see. Vampire. Vampire. I think I have an idea. Okay, so this is the base that I have so far for Vampire. Just this long velvet asymmetrical skirt, thrifted. Um, I also got this top at the same estate sale where I got that peacock fan. Yeah. Oh, and I also got this necklace too at that same place. She had so many great things. For shoes, I'm gonna go with these long suede boots. That's what they're called, suede. Here are the boots underneath. I have this, like, I think it's a bathing suit cover up, but it has this pretty, like, lace detail. I'm gonna put this. This is a crop tuck, and I'm gonna hide this under my top. I'm gonna go ahead and, like, loop this around the crop tuck rubber band. Kind of hide the sleeves to where you can't see them. There we go. I'm gonna put my top over, and it's hidden like that. Ooh. The last item is this. Really pretty, just has all of this like sequence fringe at the bottom. I again want to actually wear this. Of course, with like some like, make your makeup a little darker, get yourself some fangs, put a little fake blood, and I think it would be perfect. You guys let me know your ratings. What do you think? Is it giving vampire? Luna, do you like it? Do you love it? Are you happy to be in Perry? Not gonna lie, y'all, I think I'm killing it. We have 3 more, so let's get on to the next one. Witch! You could interpret this as a witch, maybe.
Without context, which
Without context, witch?
if you had blood,
Well, yeah. I'm getting hot in this thing. Okay. This is what I was thinking was gonna be leaning more witch. I love this top. Thrifted it. Amazing sleeves. All this lace. And then I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully you can, but I have this little like corset, another little corset belt right here. And then the skirt, I got this from Earthbound. And then the boots are the same suede ones as the vampire outfit. But I think this will help it read more witch. Now I'm kind of feeling piratey. A fortune teller. Okay, that's kind of the same as a witch, no? How witchy? 4 out of 5? 5 out of 5?
5 out of 5.
5 out of 5 witchy. We have 2 more to go. This is so much fun. We have clown. All right, this has got to be one of my favorite outfits. Is it giving clown? It might be giving more gesture. I thought the silk poi was a nice touch for your entertainment as your court gesture. For the fit, look at these shoes. These are from the brand called Hot Chocolate Design. I think they're so cute. They even came with the little safety pins. And then the socks are from Spirit Halloween. I think I got them last year. This skirt is my crochet design, and you can find the tutorial up on my YouTube channel here if you want to make one yourself. This little argyle printed vest I got off of Depop recently. This shirt is from a store called Trend Mall. Check out this necklace. It has a little clown on it, and it's from Fish Teeth. I crocheted this little gesture hat, and I just slapped some little pom-poms on here to go with the color scheme. And I think it's lovely. And then with the makeup, the white face paint, very whimsical indeed. Time for your rating.
This one is definitely 5 out of 5.
Yeah.
Head to toe.
Let me know what you guys think about this one. Last but not least is 70s. It is getting dark. This is the last outfit. It is the 1970s. Think Cher. Think disco. Think roller skating with the besties. This mic is still on, right? This is already turned off twice on me. For the fit. These boots, I kind of don't want to talk about them. They're falling apart, making me mad because I got them off of Depop. And why do all Depop shoes fall apart? I don't know. Sound off in the comments. Thank you. This jumpsuit here is from Forever 21. I got it years ago and haven't really worn it that much. Just needed an excuse to show it off. This necklace here is my mom's. I don't know where she got it from. Sunglasses are from Alluring Couture. And this little cardigan you see here, I made it. I actually made it in my last video. If you want to go watch it, check it out. And I got this fan at a drag show. This thing is powerful. I've had this for years now, and I take it with me everywhere. Give us your final rating. This is the 70s.
Take 3.
No! What do you think?
I think it's
Okay, my mics keep dying. I don't know how much that caught, but this is the end. This is the the final outfit. Before something else happens and dies or shuts off, I just want to thank you so very much for watching this video. If you stayed the entire way, I love you. I hope you got some inspiration from this. You guys let me know which outfit I should wear for Halloween. I mean, they're all really cute, so let's be real. I might just wear them even if it's not Halloween. Yeah, I had a lot of fun. Thanks so much for hanging out, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Oh, yeah.